Hello everyone, it's me Amul Sharma back again with new video. It's been a long time since I have not uploaded any kind of video in YouTube because I have got two strike on my YouTube channel, so I cannot upload a long video till 3 weeks. So it was in 1 month already. I have not uploaded any video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to update your random cloning. After this video, I will show you how to make your own random cloning script. Okay, first of all, let me clear my quick edit data so I can tell you the all how to do it. Okay, I have already cleared my quick edit all data. Then after, let me open my script where I random. Okay, this is my random cloning script. So this I have not updated 3-4 months before one script, so I'm going to tell you how to update this script. This is on p Facebook. Okay, you can do anything. You can use any Facebook like x Facebook, Facebook, basic Facebook, basic Facebook, web Facebook, p Facebook, w Facebook, anything. I prefer you use x and okay, these are very common Facebook. Okay, if you don't have this stp canary, you can inbox my social media accounts. I will provide there. And many people ask me about my this video. Okay, this script, let me show you. Okay, this is my channel. If you don't subscribe to my channel, subscribe it. Many people request me about my this, where it is, this one, I think this one, where I have got a OK's ID using Wi-Fi. Okay, I will provide you that script also. Contact me on our Telegram channel. I'm working on different things. Okay, different like tools. If you I have list this passport list. If you want to this, you can contact me. Here my Telegram QR code. If you want, you can take. I'll mention my information on description box. Okay, let us start today's video. Today's video is about how to update your that random script. Okay, I'm using x Facebook. For x Facebook, go to stp canary, start, tap to float button, close anyway. Okay, okay, it's starting. Let me clear my this browser account. If you can use another type of browser also, I prefer use to this clear all data. Then after, let's open. Okay, allow, tap floor button, capturing. Okay, let me float icon. I like about this Redmi phone that it will automatically in okay, www.txfacebook.com. okay, it will take time. Just press out this and go this. Okay, it will take time. Just okay, again, just reload it. Successfully reload. Then after, once you enter here, okay, let me check where it is. 200 you need to check this KB one. Okay, which one greater, take that one only. 10 KB, 2 KB. Okay, let's take this 327, 2 KB. Google, this is not where it is. Oh, this is this one. Okay, if you find this https://facebook.com, click on this and request response. You will get this everything. Click on this rough h1. Okay, you will get all of this. If you want this text file also, you will get this. I prefer to use raw. Select all, copy, then go to your quick edit box, new here, just paste out here. Okay, where we want our up to host only, clear this kind of things. Where mine that cookies also, let me clear. Okay, perfect. You can see here user agent, all this type. If I will got 500 subscriber, then I will teach you how to create graph method and other that graph method, BAPI method, many more in free. Everyone will teach you in paid, but I will teach you in free. Okay, after this, copy this all, copy, go to random script, and after accept, up to here, paste it out. Oh, sorry. Here I need to just use comma. I forgot it to use comma. Okay, let's copy out here. Where it is P, paste it out. Where it is P, paste it out. Where it is P, paste it out. This you can use old one. Okay, no problem. Main problem is this one you need to change. Okay, I will just copy it out, this chromium, and you can take your time and do. It is not hard that much to do. It's just like a boring way. Just you can copy this out and tell to ChatGPT to provide me comment. Just like this, I will teach you easy method. Just copy it out, this select all, copy, then go to ChatGPT, paste your code at here and hit enter, and then after copy your previous code, copy out this and type search and paste it out, send. It will automatically rearrange your script like that previous one. Just copy out this and then from here you can paste it out, orange this one. Okay, if you feel bored, then just copy it out, go to ChatGPT and select and paste out. It will automatically orange for you. It will automatically, no need to use ChatGPT for your well-being. Don't use ChatGPT for different purposes. Just out code this and paste it out, so it will automatically orange your. Then after save it, go to your Tormex and then after type random.py, hit enter. Okay, successfully I have logged into my it will go to my YouTube channel. Then after start cloning, 9861, okay, 299, it will start it will working. So if you want this script, then contact on my social media account. I will provide you. Yeah, let's hope if we complete 200 subscriber within this week, I'll provide you this script also. And after if we complete 500 subscriber, I'll provide that file cloning one script. Many people use random script in today's time because it is easy to update, and
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
It is easy to update, and IDs will come a lot of fast. Okay, IDs will come